नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedars, Kotaris, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. The city is sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. San Jose, Madurai, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Seattle, Chidambaram, Mumbai and Oklahoma, Somanatham, Nityananda, Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Ohio, Prayag and Tuen Mun, Hong Kong, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, New Jersey, Omkareshwar, Charlotte, Srisailam, Amersfoort, Netherlands, Tiruvanmiyur, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Mumbai and Nityananda Nagaram, Rajapalayam, St. Louis, Tirumala, Toronto, Kailasam, Singapore, Singapuram, Nityanandeshwara Hindu Temple, Los Angeles, Texas, Hyderabad, Gupta Kashi, Oman, Sivagangai, Doncaster, UK, Slovakia, Pobrad, Singapore, Singapuram and more cities. Ravensburg, Germany, Indrani, New Jersey, Nityananda University, Paris. Okay. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. First, Diwali blessings for all of you, for everyone. On this auspicious occasion of Diwali, my blessings to everyone. And today, actually the Sangha, Nityananda Sangha started on this auspicious Diwali day. It is exactly on this month, Amavasya. I think this time Amavasya is coming tomorrow. That year, 2000, Amavasya and Diwali both fell on same day. That evening, first time that being got settled into this body after realizing the incarnationhood, after realizing who I am and what for this body has happened, my avataric mission, the body got settled into this body. The being got settled into this body and started possessing this body and operating it. Living in Sahaja Samadhi on this very Diwali day. So on this day, I think now almost 15 years over. 15 years. 2000 it happened, so this time 2014 means 15 years over. 15 years completed and 16th year we are entering. Let all the auspiciousness be on the whole world. Let all the auspiciousness be on the whole world. Let all the auspiciousness be on the whole world. Anandamaga irungal. It is with this word, the whole avataric mission started, and today again I give this blessing to the whole universe, to the whole world, and I give these blessings to everyone. Everyone. It's a blessing showered on everyone. Even the people who cherished enmity towards me, this blessing goes to everyone. Today, I give completion as my blessings and message to the whole universe. The completion to the whole universe and me. Understand? Because the whole universe is me. It is in me. And when I shower completion on the universe, it is showering on me. When I am showering it on me, it is showering on the universe. Because universe is not away from us, it is us. I shower completion and the blessings. ஆனந்தமாக இருங்கள். On this auspicious occasion, I give completion as my message and blessing. Bididi Ashram is offering 108 Naivedyams to Nityanandeshwara and Nityanandeshwari, and Rajapalayam Ashram is offering 108 Naivedyams. An inauguration of Goshala in Rajapalayam Ashram. Blessings for Nityananda Goshala in Rajapalayam Ashram. And Salem Ashram is offering 108 Naivedyams on this Diwali occasion. And Los Angeles Nityanandeshwara Hindu Temple is offering many Naivedyams. All the ashrams and temples are offering various Naivedyams and offerings and celebrating this auspicious occasion of Diwali. My blessings to all of you on this great auspicious occasion of Diwali. Blessings to all the ashrams which are offering pujas, Naivedyams. Los Angeles is offering 21 Naivedyams. Salem Ashram is offering 108 Naivedyams. Where are the Naivedyams? I can see Salem Ashram, but where are the Naivedyams? Adjust the camera to Naivedyams. I can see Jnaneshwarananda Swami also. And Rajapalayam is offering 108 Naivedyams, blessings, and great. And I accept all the ashrams, Naivedyams, offerings, and on this auspicious day, auspicious occasion of Diwali, I give completion as a gift to the whole world. This is the best Diwali bonus anyone can get it. Best Diwali gift. So, let the whole world experience completion. And Thiruvannamalai, and the place where I had enlightenment, puja is happening in that Pavalakundu place. Blessings for the puja. All over the world, Diwali celebrations are happening in Nityananda Dhyanapidam ashrams, centers, temples, schools, colleges, Vidyalayas, Annalayas. My blessings to all the ashrams celebrating the great auspicious Diwali celebration. Singapore is doing Lakshmi Puja in the evening and offering Nevedyams. See, this Deepavali day is the auspicious day where you light the lamp of completion in your inner space and awaken yourself. Awaken yourself and relieve yourself from all the darkness. Relieve yourself from all the hell, Naraga. Naraga which you are carrying inside you. The incompletions which you are carrying inside you is Narahasura. That is the Narahasura. So, completing with all the incompletions you are carrying inside and incompletion with others, declaring completion is the real celebration of Diwali. The real celebration of Deepavali. So, let us celebrate Deepavali. Let us enjoy Deepavali. Let us live Deepavali. Let us live in the space of eternal completion. Let's live in the space of eternal completion, complete completion, and let us take this opportunity of Deepavali as bring completion to ourselves and to others. Let's complete with ourselves and complete with everyone. Let's live a new life of completion. Let's bring the new light of completion. Let's bring new life of completion. Let's bring new light of completion. I am opening the door for completion, door of completion to everyone. Whoever has an incompletion with me, I offer completion to all of you. And I request every one of you to do the same thing. Open yourself for completion. All the incompletions be dropped. And let us live the life of completion. And let us live new life. It is life is supposed to be lived, and that is with completion. Life starts with completion. War starts with incompletion. War destroys both sides who wage the war. Completion enriches both sides who live completion. Understand, person who completes and gets completed, both are enriched by completion. With war, incompletion, whoever, whether winner or loser, both are losers. Ultimately, war, the incompletions destroys both. Who cherishes towards whom it is cherished. Completion enriches both. Who carries towards whom it is carried. So understand, let us bring more and more and more completion into our life and share that completion with the world. Let us bring more and more and more completion into our life and share that completion with the whole world. And Oklahoma is celebrating Dhanteras Puja. My blessings, happy Dhanteras. And I accepted the 51 Nevedyams offered. Great. And Diwali blessings to the whole universe. Diwali blessings to all of you. Let us bring completion into our life and completion with everyone by dropping all the incompletions we carry. Let's have peace. Let's have completion. I am opening the door of completion for everyone whoever has any incompletion with me, I declare completion with you first. I take the first step. I declare completion with you first. And I give you the abhaya. I have taken this life with this one great vow. Abhayam sarvabhudebhyo means I will not be harmful to anybody. I will not hurt anybody. I am giving abhaya to the whole universe. All the beings, let you not be afraid of me. I am here not to hurt any one of you. The moment I give abhaya to Sarvabhuta, Sarvabhutas give abhaya to me. I know that. So, I take the first initiative to give abhaya. No need to be afraid of me. No need to carry fear about me. And I invite everyone to experience the same completion and share this abhaya with everyone. I request all of you, devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, all of you, my camp or opposite camp, whoever you are, I offer to all of you, complete with yourself and complete with others. Let completion be the message of this Diwali. Let completion be the message of this Diwali. Deepavali, awaken completion in all of us. Bring peace to all of us. To bring new life to all of us. Let all of us celebrate the completion and new life today. Once again I remind myself and the whole world, I happened with this great message of Anandamaga irungal. Be blissful. Today is Diwali, direct Kali Prasadam, so Niraharis also can eat. Ramakrishna used to say, even if it is non-veg, you can eat if it is Kali Prasadam. But I am not going to tell you to eat non-veg. In Ramakrishna, but still they eat non-veg because it is Kali Prasadam. Ramakrishna said, one step further, not just chicken, even if mutton, goat, Brahmins will eat because it is on the Diwali day, goat sacrifice happens to Kali. Even goat they will eat. And Ramakrishna, after enlightenment, he stopped eating. Before that, he used to take it and put it in the mouth, saying that Kali Prasadam, I cannot disrespect her. And even after enlightenment, he will always touch it on the forehead. He will say, I cannot eat now, but I cannot disrespect Kali's Prasadam. So he will put it on the head and give it to people. And even now, Ramakrishna Mission Swamis eat even goat, mutton, if it comes from Dakshineshwar Kali temple. On this day, especially on Diwali day, there will be mutton feast. Anyhow, you guys are not going to eat non-veg, but you guys are going, all the Niraharis can eat because today it is Kali Prasadam. Kali is Prasadam. Kali is the Devi who takes away all the karmas, and please have today vegetarian prasadam of Kali. All Niraharis can eat the vegetarian prasadam of Kali. All Niraharis, please eat today prasadam of Ma Kali, Mother Kali. So, on this auspicious occasion of Diwali, again, I give my blessings and completion to all of you. Let there be completion in us let there be completion with the whole universe. So, I bless you all. Today on this Diwali occasion, I will start again Sarvadarshan. Every morning, I will make myself available in Sarvadarshan, and we will start having from today morning Kalpatar Darshan and Sarvadarshan. So, I bless you all. Let you all, let us all, let all of us radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.